Good morning, Year 8. I hope you're all well. I want to begin today with a huge well done. Year 8, you are making me so proud. I've been sent so much lovely work and I've had so many emails from your class teachers about what super efforts you've been putting in that I don't really know where to begin today. So first of all, to every Year 8 working hard at home, keep it up. We know this situation isn't easy, but to hear that you're trying your hardest absolutely warms my heart. Your extra effort will pay off when we're back at school. So keep up the great work and keep sending it to your teachers. We love to read what you've been doing. I want to share some special mentions first of all. And mention all of you who've really impressed your teachers this last week. So let's begin with maths. And a huge well done to Natalie A, Lydia E, George S, Brooke H, Nikita T, Connor H, Destiny L again, George M, Lucas W and Ruby D. Fantastic work. Food technology, want to give a special shout out to Alex P for his fantastic Easter cake and all the meals he's been making, to Harry H for his delicious cookies, and to Lydia E for a fantastic family meals and a dad's delicious birthday cake. Well done, everyone. The English department would love to recognise Molly S, Oliver L and Cameron W. I absolutely loved reading your work. Well done. Also Amelia M, Jacob T, Brooke D and Lucas W again. Well done. The Science Department have nominated the following for fantastic work: Dominic D, Tegan F, Oliver H, Cameron W again, and Epony D from Miss Milner's class. Also Lucas W again from Miss Taylor's class, and Jacob T again. Your teacher says you've done the most work out of all the class. And also to Holly B and Amelia M for fantastic effort, so well done. The Geography Department have been impressed by the effort shown from Megan K, Libby S and Jacob T again. Miss Smith says well done to Cameron C for his work on his adverts and to KDC for her wonderful singing videos. And Mrs Small sends a big well done to Alex G for his effort in art. And finally, I want to recognise some absolute Year 8 superstars. Chloe H, first of all, for her self-discipline, her hard work, helping her mum and tutoring a 6-year-old sister. It really is fantastic to hear. Lucas W for his dedication and commitment to all aspects of home learning. Alex P has shown such dedication in all aspects, including core subjects, art, food, as we've seen, and writing poetry. Keep an eye out at the end of this assembly. And Isabel Yu, not only has Isabel been working hard to keep up with schoolwork and her online dance lessons, but she's also been helping her mum to make earguard headbands for the NHS. Isabel and her mum have made enough for 650 key workers in South Yorkshire. Absolutely fantastic. Well done. And also to Jacob T for smashing every aspect of home learning and lockdown life. Well done. You're right, I'm so proud of you all. I'm going to take a breather now after all that praise and hand you over to messages from Mr Coulson and Mrs Haig.
Good morning, Year 8. It's lovely to get this message out to you. It's fantastic, but we've been getting loads of emails about all the rewards, and Miss Wharton's already gone through them already. But just remember to keep yourself safe, look after yourselves. Just a one big mention, we've got Danielle Lucas, who's absolutely fantastic and actually made her own planter, so well done. Just keep up the good work. Remember to check your emails. Stay safe. Thank you.
Hello Year 8, Mrs Haig here again. Just wanted to say it was lovely to hear from one of my form this week via email, so if anybody else wants to get in touch, please do send me some of the work you've been doing for some of your other subjects. I'd love to see it. Hope you're all keeping safe and well, and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Bye!
Thank you, Mr Coulson and Mrs Haig. Remember to keep up the great work, Year 8, and don't forget we're all here if you need us. Please keep in touch with your teachers. I know many of you are working at home, but just keeping the work on paper and in folders and files, that's absolutely fine. But if you can drop your teacher an email, let them know what you've been doing and let them know how you're getting on. Keep in touch with us. Finally, from me, as well as working hard on your schoolwork, remember to keep yourself happy and healthy. Many of us will be having different experiences of lockdown life, and some of us won't be finding it as easy as what others are doing. I've had days when I've found this new life really difficult, and that's natural for us to feel this way. If you are struggling, head over to the Netherwood website. You'll notice a section there under Home Learning for Student Wellbeing. There's some fantastic resources on there to help you work your way through this lockdown and to stay calm. I personally absolutely love to read. However, at the start of lockdown, I found it really difficult to concentrate and focus. I've managed to relax a little now, actually by reading out loud and imagining you lot are all there, which I know you think is crazy, but it helped me. At the moment, I'm reading this book, The Island at the End of Everything. You'll notice it's been shortlisted for quite a few awards, including the Blue Peter Book Awards in 2018. It's absolutely ideal for you. Next week, I'll bring you my review of it. Feel free to tell me what you've been reading. What are you reading at the moment? Send me your book reviews. Make some recommendations for us all to get through these next few weeks. That's all from the Year 8 team this week. Take care, everyone, and hopefully we'll see each other really soon. Bye-bye.